Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here. I'm excited to share with you this week's 2-minute LinkedIn hot tip. As you can see there, I got the counter going, and I'm excited to share with you what I think will help you grow your network and grow it fast. So let's jump over to what I want to talk to you about. I want to help you build your network. And this is the fourth step that I have in the 7 steps or the 7 ways to make the right connections on LinkedIn. So what I want to do is share a little bit with you from that training that I do. LinkedIn is all about connecting, right? You want to make the right connections so that folks can help you meet new people and opportunities, and you want to meet people so you can help them meet new people and opportunities as well. And one of the ways to quickly do that, to establish your personal brand or establish your company brand or just to be overall effective on LinkedIn, is to not wait on building your network. And one of the fastest ways you can build your network is through building it with super connectors. And what are super connectors? You can see there right there is a super connector is someone who is recognized as having a lot of connections on LinkedIn. Typically, this is 500 plus people or more. You want to connect with those people. Secondly, and you want to connect with super connectors because they expand your reach on LinkedIn. No longer do you need to be myopic in your focus, thinking it has to be in your industry or a subset of your industry. Nope. Super connectors span their networks across different regions and industries, fields, like I said, geographic locations. And that's only going to help you grow your personal brand and your network as well. When you connect with people who are connected to other people, like mine, like value, and beyond, you're really going to grow your network in a major way so that people will connect with you what will seem like out of the blue, and you will be able to see people come across your screen what will seem like out of the blue when really just behind the scenes it's this hot tip working for you, connecting with super connectors. Looking for those folks with 500 plus connections or more. That's the way to go. So go do it.